Hi everyone, my name is Minhaj with Mufti and I'm a first year MBBS student at Sher Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences, Srinagar. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 of the worst books that you can possibly buy if you're preparing for Neet. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that I am a terrible person because how can I call a book bad, and knowledge is knowledge, no book is bad and all those other things. Now obviously no book is bad. In fact, the books that I'm going to talk about in this video are extraordinary books, and these are very good books if you want to go in depth of the respective subjects that these books have been written on. But I would not recommend these books to anyone who is a NEET aspirant, because these books will be a waste of your time and your money. So the first book is gonna be Truman Biology. Now this book is great if you want to become a teacher, a biology teacher. But if you want to become a doctor, just go pick up your NCERT and start revising as many times as you can. Because we've seen this through the years. I saw it last year in my own paper that 100%, not even 99%, 100% of the questions in biology are coming from directly from NCERT. Truman was very useful when there were questions coming out from NCERT. There was some tougher topics were coming. Paper used to be of some high level, but not anymore. You will realize once you give your NEET exam. We are just here to share our experiences. I'm personally sharing my experiences. I personally had 355 marks in biology, and the one question that was wrong, that was not even out of NCERT. That was because of a silly mistake. So everything is coming inside of NCERT, so you just need to revise that. Now the second book, that is a total waste of your time, is Irodov for physics. Now can you be more stupid to do questions from this book? Because the level of questions in Irodov is nowhere near the level of questions that come actually in NEET. Now if you want to take your physics to the next level and become a physics expert while preparing for NEET for some reason, just go and buy it. Just go and buy it. I'm not saying you should not buy any of these books. If you have all the time and the resources and the
2,000 years later,
energy to do all this extra work while you could just study minimal books and minimal material and still get the same thing that the guy who's studying Irodov is getting. But as I said, it's totally unnecessary. Instead, what you can do is you can go and pick up a good reference book, either H.C. Verma or D.C. Pandey, and go and study that thoroughly. And if you don't have time to read the whole of NCERT, what you can do is, I'm giving you the shortcut. If you don't have time, if you have time, read the whole NCERT. Like if you don't have time, pick up the second part of the NCERT textbook of 12th for physics and read that thoroughly, because most of the conceptual questions that come from NCERT in NEET physics are from modern physics, and modern physics is all over that book, right? So go and do this. Okay, now coming to the third book. The third book that I'm talking about in this video is J.D. Lee Inorganic Chemistry. Now I am saying and emphasizing this multiple times that all the books that I'm naming in this video are great books. These are very, very, very good books. Similarly, J.D. Lee is an excellent book. It's a very good book, but you have to listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully. In inorganic and organic chemistry, any book other than your NCERT textbook for your theory part is a waste. It is not needed. It is a waste of your time, while you could put the same time into something like question practice, which could actually boost your score and actually increase your chances of getting selected into a medical college. So I hope you understood the point of me making this video. These 3 books that I told you in this video, students are buying these in large masses, right? So these are totally unnecessary. Just focus on NCERT. Everyone's been telling you this, and I hope you have got some value out of this video. And just comment and share what you think about these books, and I hope anyone doesn't get offended, because I highly respect all these authors and these books. This was just me giving some realistic tips to someone who is preparing for the same exam that I was preparing for 1 year ago, and I hope it helped you. And I'll see you in the next video. Just like and subscribe if you're watching for the first time.